Have you ever wondered how to start writing content? Well, you're not alone. Many people find the blank page intimidating. But don't worry, with the right steps, you can tackle it with confidence and ease. The first step in the content writing process is understanding your topic. This might seem obvious, but it's crucial to dig deep and research thoroughly. Read articles, books, and blogs on the topic. Listen to podcasts or watch videos. The goal is to become familiar enough with the subject matter to speak about it with authority and confidence. Next, you need to define your audience. Who are you writing for? What do they care about? What problems do they need solving? Understanding your audience's needs and interests will help you craft content that resonates with them. Once you've got your topic and audience nailed down, it's time to plan your content. This is where you decide on the format, structure, and key points you want to cover. A good plan will guide your writing and keep you focused. Now comes the fun part. Writing. Start with a compelling introduction that hooks your reader. Then, build on your key points, making sure each paragraph flows into the next. Remember to keep your language simple and clear. Don't be afraid to show your personality in your writing. It's what makes your content unique. After you've written your piece, it's time to revise and edit. Look for any errors, inconsistencies, or areas that could be clearer. Don't be afraid to cut out unnecessary information or rewrite sections. This is your chance to polish your content and make it the best it can be. Finally, don't forget to proofread. Spelling and grammar mistakes can distract from your message and harm your credibility. Use a tool like Grammarly or just read your content aloud to catch any errors. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide to content writing. To recap, we've covered understanding your topic, defining your audience, planning your content, writing your piece, revising and editing, and proofreading. Remember, writing is a skill that takes practice, so don't get discouraged if your first few pieces aren't perfect. Keep writing, keep learning, and you'll get there. Happy writing!